Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes of Iqra Hufaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System. This video session is for English text for class 8. This is lecture number 7, language practice, page number 13. Our today's topic is prepositions of position. Prepositions of position. A preposition is a word that tells where a person, place, animal or a thing is. I repeat, a preposition is a word that tells where a person, place, animal or a thing is. Preposition हमें ये बताता है कि कोई person हो, कोई जगह हो, कोई जानवर हो या कोई चीज़ हो, वो कहाँ है. Preposition words connect a noun or pronoun to another noun or a pronoun. Preposition words connect a noun or pronoun to another noun or a pronoun. Preposition words एक नाउन को या प्रोनाउन को दूसरे नाउन या प्रोनाउन के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं, जोड़ते हैं. ओके? Some examples of prepositions that show positions are in, inside, outside, on, under, at, by, beside, near, above, below, behind, among, and between. Now look at this example. The baby fell in the swimming pool yesterday. The baby fell in the swimming pool yesterday. So, where did the baby fall? बच्चा कहाँ गिरा? Baby fell in the swimming pool yesterday. कल swimming pool में बच्चा गिर गया. The next is where the people are waiting. People are waiting at the station for the train. So here, at is the preposition. The next is, my school is near my house. It means it is also showing the location of my school. It is near my house. Okay? One more example we have. Dogs are fighting outside the park. Dogs are fighting outside the park. So where the dogs are fighting outside the park. So my students, all these examples are showing where the person, place, thing or an animal is. I hope you have understood well the concept of preposition of position. Now take out your books and open page number 13 for exercise 4. Okay, this is exercise 4. Complete the following sentences by choosing one word from those given in the brackets at the end of each sentence. Okay, they have given us incomplete sentences and we have to complete these sentences by choosing one appropriate preposition from the bracket. ओके उन्होंने हमें सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं और सेंटेंसेस इनकम्प्लीट हैं, हमें इसको कंप्लीट करना है अप्रोप्रिएट मुनासिब प्रपोजिशन जो ब्रैकेट में दिए हैं उसको इस्तेमाल करते हुए. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन इज प्लीज पुट दिस बुक द टेबल. Please put this book the table, inside the table, at the table, on the table, in the table. All right, very good. Please put this book on the table. The next we have, her shoes are the bed. In the bed, on the bed, under the bed, before the bed. उसके जूते बेड के कहाँ थे? Very good. Under the bed. The next we have, my teacher is the class. In the class, at the class, above the class, below the class. Very good. At the class. The next, fourth one is, a huge crowd is waiting the stadium. A huge crowd is waiting the stadium. On the stadium, above the stadium, outside the stadium, under the stadium. Well done. Very good. Outside the stadium. Okay, now move to next exercise, that is exercise 5 on page number 14. Okay, this is exercise 5. Fill in the blanks with correct preposition from the list given earlier. Okay, now we have a list of preposition on page number 14. Here it is. In, inside, outside, on, under, at, by, beside, near, above, below, behind, among, between. So we have to fill these blanks with the correct preposition from the list given on page number 13. Okay, the first one is, the boys fell the pond yesterday. लड़के तालाब में कल गिर गए. क्या यूज करेंगे? Well done. Excellent. The boys fell in the pond yesterday. The next we have, let's go as it is going to rain. बारिश हो रही है, चलो चलें. कहाँ चलें? बारिश हो रही है. In, inside, outside, on, under, by, beside, near. Very good, very good. Let's go inside as it is going to rain. चलो अंदर चलें, बारिश होने वाली है. Okay. We solve one more. Please go and see who is dash the door. Very good. Please go and see who is at the door. जाएं, जाके देखें दरवाजे पर कौन है. Okay, so you know very well we have done 3 in the class and the remaining you have to do yourself. Okay, now move to exercise 6. And exercise 6 is, use at least 7 prepositions from the list given earlier in your own sentences. ठीक है? So as you know, we have a list of prepositions on page number 13 and it has 14 prepositions and you have to use at least 7 preposition in your own sentences. ठीक है बेटा, पेज नंबर 14 पे हमें preposition की जो लिस्ट दी है उसमें 13 prepositions हैं और उसमें से 13 और 14 प्रपोजिशंस हैं और उसमें से आपने 7 कम से कम यूज़ करने हैं और अपने सेंटेंसेस में यूज़ करना है. ठीक है, आप ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे सेंटेंसेस पढ़ चुके हो प्रपोजिशन के. लाइक ऑन पे एक्सरसाइज 4 इट हैज़ 8 सेंटेंसेस. ऑन पेज नंबर 14 exercise 5 it has some more sentences. So now you know very well how to use preposition in the sentences. So you have to do this exercise yourself and this is your homework. Okay, now take out your diaries and note down your homework. Do exercise 4, 5 and 6 of language practice in your notebook. Okay, that's all for today. Inshallah we will meet in the next class. Assalamu alaikum.